Nurse from Harbour View reported missing. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 35-year-old Dawn Smith, a nurse of Coffee Lane, Old Harbour View, Kingston 17, has been missing since Saturday, February 17. She is of brown complexion, slim built, and about 165 centimeters or 5 feet 5 inches tall. Reports from the Harbour View police are that around 11 a.m., Smith was last seen wearing a brown blouse and shorts. All efforts to locate her since then have proven futile, the police have stated. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Dawn Smith is being asked to contact the Harbour View police station at 928-6001, the police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.